When it comes to upgrading your Florence home, one of the most impactful yet often overlooked elements is your doors. Whether it's your front door, patio door, or even your garage entry, doors play a critical role in both the security and aesthetics of your home. An outdated or poorly constructed door can leave your home vulnerable to break-ins, while a new, high-quality door can enhance your home's curb appeal and provide a sense of security for you and your family. If you're considering upgrading your doors, here's how a new door can improve both security and aesthetics in your Florence home. Enhanced security with modern door features. The front door is the main entry point into your home, and unfortunately, it's also one of the most common points of entry for burglars. Upgrading to a new, high-quality door can significantly enhance the security of your home. Stronger materials. Modern doors are typically made from stronger materials such as steel, fiberglass, or solid core wood, all of which provide greater resistance to forced entry compared to older doors. These materials are more durable and are harder to break down, giving intruders fewer opportunities to gain access to your home. A solid door, especially one with a reinforced frame, is much harder to damage than a hollow core door, offering better protection for you and your loved ones. Advanced locking systems. New doors are often equipped with advanced locking systems that provide added security. Many modern entry doors feature multi-point locking mechanisms, which engage at multiple points along the doorframe, making them more secure than traditional deadbolt locks. Additionally, many new doors come with smart lock options that allow you to control the lock remotely, adding another layer of security to your home. Hurricane and storm protection. In Florence, which is no stranger to severe weather and hurricanes, upgrading to a hurricane-resistant door can provide enhanced protection for your home during storm season. These doors are designed to withstand high winds and flying debris, ensuring that your home stays safe even during the most intense weather events. In addition to their storm resistance, these doors also help to keep out drafts, improving your home's energy efficiency. Improved aesthetics and curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people see when they approach your home. It sets the tone for the rest of your property and plays a major role in your home's curb appeal. A worn-out or outdated door can make even the most beautiful home look neglected. Upgrading to a new door can instantly transform the appearance of your home, making it more inviting and stylish. Wide range of styles. One of the greatest advantages of installing a new door is the variety of styles available. Whether you prefer a modern, traditional, or rustic look, there's a door style that will suit your tastes and complement your home's architectural design. Fiberglass doors can mimic the appearance of wood with better durability, while steel doors offer a sleek, contemporary look with a high level of security. You can choose from decorative glass, solid panels, and even custom designs to make your door stand out. Color and finishing options. A new door gives you the opportunity to refresh your home's exterior with the latest color trends or create a bold statement with a new design. From neutral shades that blend seamlessly with your home's exterior to vibrant colors that add personality and charm, a fresh coat of paint or finish can bring your home's entryway to life. Additionally, stained wood finishes can add warmth and elegance, while modern metal doors offer a sleek, polished look. Complementing landscaping. A new door can also be the perfect way to tie together your home's landscaping and outdoor aesthetic. For example, a classic wooden door can be paired with lush greenery or a vibrant garden, while a more modern door with clean lines can complement minimalist landscaping. Adding stylish hardware such as handles, knockers, or decorative glass can further enhance the door's appearance, elevating the entire look of your entryway. Increased home value. Investing in a new, high-quality door can significantly increase the value of your Florence home. Homebuyers are often drawn to homes with upgraded features, especially when it comes to doors and windows. A new entry door is not only a functional upgrade but also an aesthetic one, improving the overall appeal of your home. Since the front door is often the first thing a potential buyer sees, having a beautiful and secure entryway can make a strong first impression, adding curb appeal and potentially increasing the value of your home. Energy efficiency. New doors are also designed with energy efficiency in mind. Many modern entry doors feature insulated cores, energy-efficient glass, and tight seals that help keep your home's temperature stable. This prevents heat loss during the cooler months and keeps cool air inside during the summer, reducing your reliance on heating and air conditioning. As a result, you'll see savings on your energy bills and a more comfortable home environment year-round. Conclusion. Upgrade your Florence home with a new door. Upgrading your Florence home's door is one of the most effective ways to enhance both security and aesthetics. A new door offers improved durability, better protection, and can transform the look of your home, increasing its curb appeal and market value. With a variety of styles, colors, and finishes available, you can choose the perfect door that matches your design preferences while ensuring that your home is both secure and energy efficient. Whether you're looking to improve the security of your home, add a fresh look to your entryway, or increase your home's value, investing in a new door is a smart decision for any Florence homeowner. Don't wait. Enhance your home's security and aesthetic appeal today.